Good morning class and welcome to online classes. I'm your science teacher and today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 6, combustion and flame. So let's first discuss that what do you mean by combustion and what do you mean by flame. So what is combustion? Combustion is a chemical process, is a chemical reaction जिसमें heat released होती है या कोई भी आपका सब्सटेंस होता है वो बर्न होता है और वो हीट और लाइट प्रोड्यूस करता है. ओके, एंड द मेन सपोर्टर ऑफ कंबशन आर एयर एंड ऑक्सीजन. नाउ व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय कंबस्टिबल सब्सटेंस? एनी मटेरियल जो कि कंबशन अंडरगो करता है इनको आप कंबस्टिबल सब्सटेंस कहते हैं. यू कैन ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज फ्यूल. सम एग्जाम्पल्स आर पेट्रोल, डीजल एक्सेट्रा. नाउ कंबशन होने के लिए एक पर्टिकुलर टेम्परेचर भी मेंटेन होना चाहिए विच वी कॉल्ड इग्निशन टेम्परेचर. सो व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय इग्निशन टेम्परेचर? इट इज़ द मिनिमम टेम्परेचर जिस पर कोई भी मटीरियल जो है it catches fire. Okay, and if the temperature of that combustible substance is lower than the ignition temperature, तो substance जो होगा it will not burn. For example, आपका cooking oil जो होता है it catches fire when a frying pan is kept for a long on a burning stove. या kerosene oil जो होती है and wood, they do not catch fire on their own at room temperature. जब भी उनका ignition temperature आपका maintain होगा तभी उसमें fire जो है वो होगी. Now what do you mean by inflammable substances? वो मटीरियल जिनका इग्निशन टेम्परेचर जो है वो 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस से कम होता है तो दे कैन कैच फायर वेरी ईजली. Okay, like for example LPG, petrol, diesel, what are they? They are inflammable substance because they can catch fire very easily and very quickly. For example, matchstick. Matchstick is also an inflammable substance. Now what are the things that are necessary for combustion to take place? That is oxygen, heat, and a combustible substance and an air. Okay, now what are the measures which you can take to control fire? The first is the fire brigade station. You all know that in case of fire brigade will extinguish the fire by sprinkling the water on the affected areas. water के temperature को नीचे लाया जाता है below its ignition temperature जिसकी वजह से जो fire होती है it will not spread. Okay, now then we use fire extinguisher which is the most common fire extinguisher. It is water, but वो तभी होता है जो कि एक पर्टिकुलर चीज़ों पर जब आप उसे स्प्रे करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वुड, पेपर एक्सेट्रा. हाउएवर अगर आपका इलेक्ट्रिकल चीज़ों से अगर फायर कैच करती है तो वाटर बीइंग अ गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी विल डिस्ट्रॉय दोज इक्विपमेंट. even water is not good in case of fire due to oil, petrol, etc. Then we can use blankets. We can use forest fires, like use of blanket किस लिए किया जाता है ताकि उसमें जो एयर की सप्लाई है उसको आप रोक सकें. Now what are the different types of combustion? We have rapid combustion, we have spontaneous combustion and we have explosion. Now what is rapid combustion? Rapid combustion में जो substance होता है वो बहुत ही तेज़ी से rapidly burn करता है and they give light and heat. For example, burning of a matchstick या gas lighter near the gas stove. What are they? They perform rapid combustion. Then what is spontaneous combustion? Spontaneous combustion in which the substance burst out into flames suddenly without any reason. For example, आपकी forest fire. ये क्या होती हैं कि spontaneous combustion होती हैं and इसमें fire लगती क्यों है? It is because of the heat rays which coming from the sun, they strike and it might be responsible for this kind of combustion. Then you have explosion. इसमें all of a sudden आपका reaction जो है it results into heat, light and sound. Then इसमें आपका firecracker जो होते हैं they perform explosion. Now with this we have completed the first part of the chapter which is your combustion. We'll discuss the remaining part in our next video. Till then just go through it. In case you have any doubt just ask me. Okay, till then have a good day class. Thank you so much.